How to automatically connect your GoDaddy domain to Shopify. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be going over how you can add your custom GoDaddy domain to Shopify. It's very simple and easy, so let's get into it. Now, we have a Shopify store over here, and I am currently using a domain name that came for free. So I'm just using their subdomain name, you could say, and that is it. So I can easily change my Shopify domain from GoDaddy. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to head on over to GoDaddy and purchase our new domain. It's a very simple and easy process. So just head on over to GoDaddy.com and you will just search for the domain name that you're looking for. I'm just going to search for the basic word of my business, and there are multiple different names available. Dead End Store is one that I like, so I'm just going to add it to my cart. Once you add it to your cart, you just want to click on continue over here. Once you click on continue, I will just go on ahead and continue on like this. And then I'm just going to click on continue to cart to see what my cart is looking like currently. And then it also, GoDaddy gives you the option to get full domain protection for 1 year, but we don't want that. We just want to purchase our domain. So you can just go on ahead and choose however long you want to purchase it for, like so, for 1 year, 2 year, depending on whenever you want. Then it will show you the renewal. So renews on April 2024, like this. Then you have one item. You are saving this much. You're getting the best price, like so. Then you also have professional email and, full domain protection. We don't want that. So I'm just going to click on I'm ready to pay over here. And once you click on I'm ready to pay, it will head on over to the next step, which is your cart on GoDaddy. So I'm just going to wait for this to load up, and it's a very simple process. You can pay via your card or PayPal. So I'm just going to log on to my GoDaddy account. You can log in via Google or Facebook. I already have created this account, so I'm just logging in with GoDaddy, and I'm just going to link my account. So as you guys can see, I have my checkout page, so I'm just going to enter all my information over here, and then I will move on to the next page. So you guys can see our domain is being registered, and I'm just going to click on continue. And now I will just skip this section because I want to connect my domain to Shopify. I'm not looking to build my website with GoDaddy. So now it's just building our experience. So we have to just wait a couple of seconds for this to be completed, or you can just cancel it up and, choose a custom site. So they're setting up our domain. It takes a couple of seconds for your domain to be completed. So I'm just going to wait for this to be completed. And in the meanwhile, you can actually go into your account and take a look at your product. So you can click on domains over here, and you can have your domain manager and see all the domains that you currently have. So this is just your profile, and it says Dead End Store. So now what you're going to do to automatically connect your GoDaddy domain to Shopify is now you're going to head on over to Shopify, and you have to wait for your domain to be set up. Once your domain is set up, just head on over to your actual Shopify dashboard. Then you want to click on settings on the bottom left. Once you click on settings, you want to scroll down over here, and you will see domain name. So we're just going to scroll down, and it says domains over here. You will click on that. Then you will click on connect existing domain, and then you will enter the domain that you want to connect, and then you will click on next. So I'm just going to click on domain, and I'm just going to click on transfer domain. So it took a couple of minutes for my GoDaddy domain to be set up. That is why my Shopify was not being able to verify my domain. But after just setting up my GoDaddy domain, you're going to go back into Shopify, click on settings, click on domains over here, click on connect existing domain, and then you will just enter your domain name. You guys can see my domain name has been added, so deadend.store has been added. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on this domain name now, and this has now been set to the primary domain. Now, if it's not automatically set as a primary domain, then you want to go on ahead and set it as your primary domain. But I want to click on the change the domain type, and you can make it a redirecting domain or a alias domain. So it is one way to get started with connecting your GoDaddy domain name to your Shopify store. So if you're having a error with Shopify, as I was previously, then you should go with GoDaddy and just open up GoDaddy, go into your domains, and you want to just click on your domains, click on the DNS of your domain. And once you click on the DNS, you can actually add a record manually, but as long as your GoDaddy domain name is activated, and you can choose to remove the security settings on it. So if you click on manage over here, and if it's not connecting directly to Shopify, you can just manage it, and you can go on ahead and remove some of the security settings to make it easier for you to connect your domain name to your Shopify store. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and you are now able to get started with connecting your GoDaddy domain to your Shopify store. Make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.